Alright, so here comes the hard part. Picking up the toilet, trying to align it just right with the bolts and setting it gently down and giving it a little rock, well not a rocking, kind of like twisty, kind of pushing it down so the wax makes a good seal. So we're going to turn the toilet over. Can't really show you that because I can't move the camera, so I'm gonna have to. So moving the toilet. Bringing it to where we want to push it down between. Hopefully it's difficult to see. So, my goodness. Trying to line it up with one. And at the same time looking, lining up with the other one. And just kind of letting it down. I kind of move it this way a little bit. And the bolt's kind of even on this side. Looks like it's evenish on the other side. Kind of it'd probably be easier if you had two people, because then you can both see the bolts. Trying to make sure it's lined up just right, and then I'm gonna so it's on there. And so you see one bolt is kind of there, the other bolt right there. So I'm just going to take the toilet now and kind of try and rock it back and forth, a little bit pressing down on it to try and get a good seal here. Okay, and then so I just kind of pressed it down. Then I'm going to go ahead and get the washers and the nuts and secure those. I might need to get a little bit of wax off the bolts real quick. So I'm going to do that real quick. Just holding the bolt steady. Then wiping the wax off as much as possible. Doing the same to the other side. Okay. Alright, now just going to secure the bolts. I use a decent sized washer, so it's not, so when you cinch it down it's not going to be cracking stuff, hopefully. Don't cinch it down super tight either. So I'm leaving the bolts long. You can cut them off. I don't really care that much for the looks. When you replace them, it's easier to have a longer bolt like that, so you kind of guide the toilet down, as opposed to really short bolts where you don't really, it's very difficult to see, especially if you're doing this by yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and secure the toilet with the large washers and the nuts. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and just be sure when you do that not to over tighten those. Okay, so we'll be back.